Welcome to Camden Market, the vibrant heart of London. This bustling market is a hub of creativity and a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. As you wander through the winding alleys and narrow streets, you'll be treated to a sensory explosion of sights, sounds, and smells. From quirky fashion boutiques to antique treasures, there's something here for everyone. Take a stroll down the famous Camden Lock, where you'll find a plethora of delicious street food stalls, offering cuisine from every corner of the globe. Indulge in mouth-watering dishes such as steaming noodles, sizzling falafels, and succulent burgers. But it's not just about the food. Camden Market is also known for its eclectic live music scene. Step into one of the vibrant venues scattered around the area, and you might just stumble upon the next big thing in the music industry. As the sun sets, the market comes alive with a kaleidoscope of colorful lights and bustling nightlife. From quaint pubs to trendy bars, Camden offers a unique blend of traditional English charm and contemporary cool. So why not immerse yourself in the vibrant vibes of Camden Market? Lose yourself in the maze of stalls, discover hidden gems, and let the rhythm of the market guide you. Thanks for exploring with us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this.